Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I just want to quickly review a few submissions that I just received for the Discord 3D challenge that just ended this weekend. So if you are interested in stylized characters and you like cartoon characters, you like sculpting, modeling, for this challenge, you could have used any software, no rules, just the only thing was the topic of creating a mushroom. So I strongly encourage anyone who hasn't signed up yet to Discord to jump in and let's have some fun and continue participating in these cool challenges. All right, so let's jump in and see what we got. All right, so to start the challenge, I first created a couple mushrooms to inspire everyone else. The one on the left is a ZBrush poly painted mushroom that I created as a membership tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial just showing kind of a high res, and then we also went through and created a low poly kind of a game version of that as well, with UVs, and then we also reviewed how you would go from high poly to low poly, including baking and substance painter. So that was the tutorial there. And then the mushroom all the way in the right in the corner is this creepy, crazy looking guy. That is a free tutorial. I'll include a link below this video if you want to see the step-by-step process of how that was made. All right, so once the challenge started, the very first submission came from Andy. And Andy created this really crazy, creative looking mushroom that is absolutely unique and absolutely insane, right? So I enjoyed seeing this very much, and it's amazing to see what he was able to come up with. This is super creepy, super awesome, and I definitely give Andy the award for the most creative mushroom for sure. All right, you guys, our next submission was from Corbin. Corbin, thank you so much for participating. Really appreciate you, man. And I also appreciate all of the help that you are giving me on Discord as well. So here's Corbin's submission. I think this character is absolutely amazing. He's super creepy. And I think if he was textured and properly rendered, he'll be pretty insane. So I really enjoyed this guy as well. I love the chains, and as you can see, Corbin also submitted a backstory that comes with this character, and that is absolutely awesome. It's definitely a character design 101, right? To come up with a backstory of what the character is going through, and that also helps a lot of times to add design elements and take the character to the next level. So Corbin, really appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. That is awesome. Corbin, I think you get the award for the most creepiest and scariest mushroom in this challenge for sure. All right, so our final submission came from Daniel, aka Yoda. And Daniel did something really cool. He actually followed the step-by-step tutorial of the mushroom that I created, and he executed this absolutely beautifully. I was really impressed with the technical execution for this piece. He was able to do the high-res sculpting in ZBrush, then created the low-res version of this character, created UVs, then brought both of them into Substance Painter for baking, and once he baked it, he textured it, and then after he textured it, he also was able to render it and tweak the lighting and create this amazing final result. So Daniel, thank you so much for all of your effort. Really appreciate you, man, as well. And you definitely get the award for the scariest and the most complex as far as the technical execution goes. So thank you for joining me in this video. Again, I encourage anyone who hasn't done so, please join my Discord, and we'll just continue making even more awesome and fun challenges. All right, and to wrap this up, I am going to, at the end, include the step-by-step mushroom sculpting in ZBrush, just to show you guys how that was executed or created. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in our next video.